Normally, when we're chatting with Google Gemini, the chat will appear in our chat history. But if you don't want any chat to appear in your chat history, you can enable temporary chat, and that chat will not appear in chat history. It's like incognito mode in browser. So in this video we'll be telling about how to use temporary chat on Google Gemini. For this, open Google Gemini. After that, above, you can see 3 lines. Click on these 3 lines. When you're clicking on that, here you can see new chat option, and next to that you can see a button like this. Click on this button. This is the button for temporary chat. Now you have entered temporary chat, so after this, if you're chatting, it will not appear in recent chat or Gemini app activity. But this will be saved in their server for 72 hours. After that, it will be deleted. Anyways, I'm chatting with this Gemini, and now Gemini is giving answers, but you cannot see the chat in chat history. To check chat history, here you can see 3 lines, and down here you can see the chat history. So this way, you can easily use temporary chat on Google Gemini. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.